बँकेचे आनीक एक फ्रॉड. मडगांव कॉर्पोरेशन बँकेतल्या 9 लाख अकाउंट होल्डरांक कळनासतना ट्रान्सफर जाल्यात. एका रियल इस्टेट वाल्यान पणजे डीजीपी आणि आयजीपी कंप्लेन केल्या. हे पैसे खंय मुंबय आणि कोलकाता बँकांनी ट्रान्सफर जाल्यात. ज्या मोबाईल नंबराचेर ताका बँकेची नोटिफिकेशनां येताली तो नंबरूय खंय ब्लॉक केला.
Two transactions were done from Corporation Bank without my knowledge. It was around 4,50,000 and another was 4,50,000. A total of 9 lakhs was done without my knowledge. My SIM card was blocked, deactivated.
Vivok's SIM has been deactivated without knowledge and authorization, and the unknown person has obtained a new SIM in his name. So it was transferred in the name of Dipanita Bhaumik and Jaiswar Amardev Kumar, and their address is Delhi. Bank is one Saraswat Bank, and other is some cooperative bank. We have also registered a complaint to DGP Panji and IGP Panji for investigation. This is a serious fraud challenging the entire e-banking. That's what I believe. The question is how my Airtel SIM got deactivated without my request. How can Airtel authority can do this?
घेऊ एक ब्रेक.